Yeah, talk to the bird. What bird? I don't hear you. You wanna play? Nagsusumba siya. Kaloka siya, oy. Ang dami mong angel dyan, Aisa, ha? Nanonood lagi. Ano yung mga angel niyo yan? Iniwan ko lang siya, nagsasayaw na mag-isa. Jilana, can you do the zip line there again? No, the baby zip line. Um, where's your baby zip line? Oh, how come you said yes? Why you said yes? You should have said no. Oh, you could have said wait for mom, Dad. Why you didn't say wait for mom? Ah, you wanna do your hand? No, just use your thing. Gusto niyang hawakan. That's a mud cake. There's the bird waiting for you. Guys, ang dami mong baon na Angel. Bagong recruit ni Madam Maricar. Birdie, 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 where are you? Yeah, I hold it. Why what the bird is saying? Do you know what the bird was saying? Bye, bird. Say bye-bye. Oh, ang dami. Ghostbuster. Oo, Des. Parang uulan. Makulimlim, oh. Katatapos lang ng ulan. Sarap ng tulog ni Jewel doon, no? Tulog si Jewel. Nakikinig lang si Jewel. Ang sarap ng tulog ni Jewel. Ayan. What you doing? Tulog si Jewel. Is Jewel sleeping, anak? What do you think? Jilana, do you want to show me how you bike? Don't bug Jewel, anak. You have to have her namis. You have to have namis. Yeah. Do you want to go get your bike? You know how to bike already. Come on. Oo nga, puntahan nga niya. You wanna show your bike? I wanna see. I have not seen it. Okay. Yeah, let's go see your bike. Marunong na siya mag-bike. Yeah. No, the moose is not here. Yeah. Here. Naku, Des, ang dami mong... Okay. Okay. You wanna bike it here?